Okay, guys. Arsene, did you see that equaliser as all part of the plan, or do you think you get?
It's a bit pretentious to say that, but I felt that overall we had a serious defensive performance. Offensively, we have played better, and we had not our style, our usual style to go forward. We were not sharp enough and not fluent enough, and Man United blocked us well as well, I must say. They were well organized. First half, you still felt that there was room for us to be dangerous. In the second half, we came out in the first 20 minutes. We didn't play, and deservedly Man United led 1-0 after. They dropped off, and they left us the ball again, and we came back, and we were resilient, and in the end I think we scored a great goal.
The two substitutes as well.
The two substitutes did well, and overall it shows mentally we did that so many times. We've seen that there's something in the squad that is remarkable. It's great unity, great resilience, and a never give up attitude, and we know that we can do better going forward.
What do you point to the factor of the attack not being as dynamic as they usually are? Tiredness?
I don't know. It's difficult. Had we a mental block here because for a while it didn't go well for us? Was it a bit fatigue after a mental switch on problem after the international break? I don't know, but some players came back late on Thursday, and we traveled on Friday morning, you know, and we play Saturday morning. It's short, but I don't think it's an explanation. It's just that I felt that Man United defended very well as well.
Arsene, can I ask what your view was on Manchester United's penalty appeal?
My view was it was not a penalty. I will not be surprised by that. And Mourinho's view is that it was a penalty, and you will not be surprised by that.
Arsene, Olivier Giroud's now scored more goals off the bench than any Arsenal player in Premier League. Does that kind of hurt him a little bit that he keeps coming off the bench and having his impact?
Look, Olivier Giroud, I consider him as a regular player, and he was had a long holiday. After when he came back, he got injured, and he's just coming back for a few games. It's true, but in the last 2 games, he's a bit frustrated. That's normal, because he is ready and to go again. But I've chosen a solution, Sanchez, at the start of the season. It worked well, and I have 2 options at the moment, and I will use both options, you know, because Sanchez can play on the flank, Olivier can only play through the middle, so I can sometimes marry the 2 together.
Arsene, Matteo Darmian had a booking and then a challenge very soon after, which the referee chose to talk to him. Were you expecting him to receive another yellow card in that incident?
That's the referee's decision. It was not an easy game to referee, because was many challenges, you know, and overall I think it was a fair game. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Please take this quickly.